Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to report police in the Waze application, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app, then on the home page click on that yellow circle icon at the bottom of the screen, and now you should see the second option is police. Click on that and you can select if it's visible, hidden, or on the other side of the road, and then click on the send button. In this way you can notice others where the police are, and in that way they can be more careful. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.